Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Silk Zone. Today again I'm back here with our new design, new collection. As you can see these pictures, these are 100% pure Tassar silk dresses. I'll show you in these videos all these dresses materials. As you can see this dress, all these dresses are available with us in our website. These are 100% pure Tassar silk along with silk mark certification. You can have a look to all these our collections designs to our website by logging to www.silkzone.com, or you can directly click on the link which is given in the descriptions. It will take you directly to our collection page. As you can see, these dresses are how beautiful, why pretty this is. Actually, the silk dresses are known for its lightweight and its simplistic designs. You can see these dresses how beautiful, how pretty this is. You can see the top color, the dupatta color, the design and the printings. These dresses are very beautiful, very pretty and very lightweight. All these dresses are available with us with different colors, different designs. All these dresses which I am showing you are available in our website as well as in our stock. These dresses are pure Tassar silk dresses. You see this dress, how beautiful, how pretty this is. In pink color you are having a discharge print in all over the top with white color discharge print, and the dupatta you are having a red color with blue color linings. I can say you that the Tassar silk material is not comfortable for the bottom, so we are not giving bottom in this. If you want the bottom for each of these dresses, you can order us and you can give any of materials in other material which you want. We can manufacture and we can provide you along with these dresses. So it will up to you which of the colors dress is with us. If you want the other color bottom, we can give you, we can provide you. All these dresses I'm showing you are very lightweight and 100% pure Tassar silk. In this you can see the weaving design is also there. As I'll tell you very clearly that the price of these dresses is just only 3,000. And if you would like to place order for these dresses for the prepaid, you will get some discounts. You'll get 5% discounts, and even we will provide you free shipping for that. It means you only have to pay 2,700 for the prepaid and you have to pay 3,000 for the COD, means cash on delivery. All these dresses are very beautiful. You can see this red color dress is having a white color butta design all over the top, and the dupatta is very beautiful. It is in three colors, blue, red and white colors. Red color linings are there. Whatever the matching bottom you want, we can provide you as per your choice. See this color combination, very attractive, very beautiful. A block print is made all over the dupatta and as well as on the top. White block print is there in the shape of barley dolls, and dupatta is also having the same designs in two colors, pink and blue, and even in the border there is given a sky and blue colors border linings. See this, how pretty this is. Even this is a block print having a leaf design all over the top and a tree design in the border, as well as the same designs is made on the dupatta, and the top is also having a weaving designs. Look at the color combination of this dress. It is very pretty, very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. These dresses are mostly used for the party wears and for the functions wears. So have a look to this another color. The red one is having white color leaf designs, and the top is also having a weaving design in it. And the dupatta is also having the same color, same designs in this, green linings, orange linings, the different kinds of trees made on the border, and the print which is there in the top is same as in the dupatta. You can see it is also having the same design as on the top as on the dupatta. Look at the top, how pretty it is. The light red color and the dark red color is made, and all over the top a floral design is made, and the dupatta is having blue linings. If you would like to place order for this dress, you can place order directly to our website, or you can also call us to our helpline number, or you can call us to our WhatsApp number also. You can text there, you can pin us there. The numbers of this WhatsApp number is given in the description. Even our email ID and all the contact details are given in the descriptions. All these videos which I'm showing you, all the pictures, all the dresses which I'm showing you are available with us. You can see how pretty and beautiful these dresses are. For this all kinds of pretty and beautiful collections, you can contact us, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, or you can directly purchase these dresses through our website, as I have told you. To get an immediate notification, please click on our subscription button and even click on the bell icon, so whenever we made the video, you can get an immediate notification and you can have a look to our new collections, new designs, and you will be the first customers to place order for that. So please like, subscribe and share as much as possible To reach to your relatives and friends, also share them and let them know about this product. This kinds of quality is available with us. Look at this color combinations, everything is very pretty, very good, very nice. The dress materials is 100% pure silk. If you find the dress material is not 100% pure silk, then you can exchange these dresses, or even if you want you can return if you don't find the same print, same design or same fabric. If you find any kinds of default or default or any kinds of problems, or that you find that it is not a pure silk, you can return this. We are ready to refund you if the product is not found as in the same design, or if you didn't find the dress material is not 100% pure silk, because we only deal with pure silks. If we said that the dress material is silk and we are giving the silk mark tag, means it is 100% pure silk. You will not get any kinds of defect on this. And if your product is not found in the good condition, means if you find any kinds of defect in there, you can return it in 7 days. Okay, now I will show you the next product. See this black and red white color designings, zigzag design is made all over the dupatta. Yeah, I can see this top, it is having a Barbie design in all over that Madhubani print type pictures is made all over the top, and the dupatta is having circles and this triangular shape on the dupatta. The designs, the color combination is how beautiful, how pretty this is. Have a look to this entire deck. Look at this. This is just opposite of that the previous design, and the weaving design is also made all over the top. The fabric is very good, very comfortable to wear, and the material is 100% silk. We are giving the silk mark tag and all the help we will provide you. If you find for any kinds of queries and support or help, you can call us directly to the number given in the description, or even you can WhatsApp us in the number given below in the description. Please like, subscribe and share as much as possible to help your friends and relatives, even to you, because these materials are 100% pure. The persons who are looking for these kinds of materials, dresses, please contact us, because you will get 100% pure materials, pure dresses to us. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to watch my video. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and please have a good enriched experience from